know what I hate worst about doing fire stop is the awkwardness of it.
It's not a very clean process. It's messy. You get it all over the place. Hands down, I would use this over anything that I've used before.
The more things you have to have on you, the more apt you are to drop them off the ladder. Just having the gun and a tube and going up there simplifies this process 60 to 80%.
To order one product to get the end result that's optimal. That's what we're looking for.
I mean, in the big picture, if everybody was using it, it would save so many labor hours.
Pretty straightforward. Put it in there, pull the trigger, and go.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it out there. I think the market's ready for this product. This is the next step.